Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add age verification to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just scroll down below to the description on this video you're watching and click on a link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is age verification. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. That's like really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Then you're gonna be here in applications, and in search, you just want to write one thing, and that's age. And here you got it, age verification. Let's create a widget. And then you're gonna have a whiskey here, default, wine, beer. You can really choose which one you want. Let's go with the default one, but it's up to you which one you're gonna choose. Continue with the template. Now you get like minimum age here. You can go 18 or 21, and then you can change the remember visitor, underage action. Then you get a content here that I'm button text yes, I'm over, no, I'm not over. Okay, we got it, and then just click save. You can also edit everything, also the style, the colors, and stuff like that. You can really play around it. Click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And when you're gonna be here in Elementor, you just simply click and right here to search widget HTML and paste the HTML here. And then paste the code that we copied from the app. And voila, here we got it. So now we have to choose. And when I'm going to preview the changes, look at this. It's automatically, I'm over, 21, and voila. But what I recommend, guys, is go to appearance and theme editor and edit right here under the body in theme header. So when you go to appearance in WordPress, theme editor and theme header, just paste it here. And what you're gonna get from it. So the one thing is that it will be on your whole website. So not only on your home page that you would add the age verification, but it will be literally everywhere. So that's the main important thing. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.